Hey, I'm Willpower, and I want to talk to you about gutter cleaning. You know how to clean gutters, you know how to manage a crew, you know how to answer the phone, book the call, and get paid. And what I do is I know how to make your phone ring. But let's not talk about me first. Let's talk about those other guys that are making your phone ring. So, we all know the biggest culprit here, good old Home Advisor, right? The big problem with them is they're going out and they're encouraging that shopping, right? You get enough shopping phone calls. People don't need encouragement. And literally, Home Advisor is spending, right? Obviously not just in gutter cleaning, but they're spending altogether almost $3 million. $3 million a year on pay-per-click. So pay-per-click is people that come to Google and they click here and the advertiser gets charged or you get charged, so on and so forth. The average gutter cleaning click costs $9.76, and there's over 60,000 people every single month typing in gutter cleaning in Google, looking for that gutter cleaner, right? So one thing that we do that's drastically different than all these other guys is we don't advertise, right? When you come to Google, you have a few things going on. Just to give you a quick explainer. You have the ads. 30% of people, hey, listen, I'm no Picasso, all right? So pardon my chicken scratch. 30% of people click there. 30%. The rest of the people, the more educated people, the smarter people, so on and so forth, right? They scroll down. They know those are ads. They scroll down to what's called the map pack, right? They read some reviews. They make sure the name of the business lines up with what they're searching for. So Martin's aluminum products, he's not going to call. And he's not talking about gutter cleaning. This guy's a pressure washing service. He's not going to call. Heck, the gutter guys with no reviews, they're getting the calls, right? They're getting 50% of the people in that area going ahead and making that Google and calling them up. On your phone, instead of website and directions, there's just a phone icon and it's a clicked call. So let me show you what I mean. When I go over, this is our website. This is all about gutter cleaning leads. You can read more about this, but I'm going to show you this. So this is one of our clients, right? I had to blur them out. There are some jamokes, you know. You know how those guys are, right? So he started with one area. He started with this one down here. So he started with one area. He was getting, one or two calls every other day. Nothing crazy. And they were priced $10 a call. And we don't charge for BS. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But he started with one area. And he realized, hey, these calls are legit. These calls are good. I want to get more. And now we're doing 8 areas. One of these is window washing. 8 areas, and he added on a 9th for window washing. He's getting 192 calls last month. Last month he got 192 calls. In June to July, 192, right? And the big thing with us, right, is we're not sending these to 5 other people, right? We're not pulling the Home Advisor deal where they're like, hey, why don't you compare pros and don't overpay, right? We're not looking for those people that want to shop. We're looking for those people that are going to read some reviews, make the educated decision, and pick the best guy in line. And the reason we don't need to pay for clicks is the same reason you don't need to pay a ridiculous amount per call. So literally 100% exclusive to you. You're only charged for 60 plus second calls. As long as you pick them up. If you don't pick them up, man, I'll discount you 20%, but you got to pick them up, right? No charges for duplicate calls. So that guy who calls you 4 times, maybe he's calling you to book it the first time. And then he's calling, hey, where are you? Then he calls you after to thank you. Still $10. So here's the deal. We obviously only work with one person in one area, right? This guy grew quick. He now has 8 areas in one window washing, right? If this makes sense at all, if you're like, hey, you know what? Sounds like an all right guy. Let me give him a call. We're going to hop on the phone, me and you, right? You're not going to some slick sales guy. This doesn't need slick sales, right? This is a no-brainer. This is the long game. This is not overnight, but it's the long game and it works. So let's hop on the phone. No slick sales stuff. You're not talking to Slick Willie, right? Trying to sell you a used Pontiac. You're talking to me right here. Have a conversation, fill out this form, and hey, maybe we have your area open and maybe we can help. I'm Will Power, and I hope to talk to you soon.